I am Steve Barker, a British military veteran who has operated in hostile terrain and learned that survival is never about luck. It is about staying calm, thinking clearly, and making the right call under pressure. I have endured harsh weather, rough ground, isolation, the kind of conditions that test your body and your mind in equal measure. Welcome to the next episode of Survive When It Counts, Wilderness Survival. In this episode, we strip everything back to the essentials, mindset, priorities, and the first actions that matter most when things go wrong. A vehicle emergency kit is one of those things you hope you never need, but you will be glad you built long before trouble starts. In this episode, we are looking at how to put together a practical kit to help you handle breakdowns, bad weather, delays, and roadside emergencies without panicking. The goal is not to turn your car into a survival truck. It is to make sure you have the basics to stay safe, stay warm, stay visible, and make smart decisions when your plans change suddenly. The first thing to understand is that a vehicle emergency kit should solve the most likely problems first. Think about what happens when your car will not start, you get a flat tire, you slide off the road, or you are stuck waiting for help in cold rain or hot sun. A good kit should cover light, warmth, water, power, first aid, and signaling. That means a flashlight, a headlamp, with spare batteries, phone charger or power bank, a basic first aid kit, high visibility gear, and enough water to get through an unexpected delay. Even a small kit can make a huge difference if it is built with purpose. Next, focus on the items that help you stay comfortable and reduce risk. A warm blanket or compact sleeping bag is useful in cold conditions, while a reflective sunshade and extra water matter more in hot weather. Add gloves, a rain poncho, multi-tool, duct tape, a tire pressure gauge, jumper cables or a jump starter, and a basic tire inflator, if space allows. A roadside kit should also include warning triangles or reflective cones, because being seen by other drivers is a major part of staying safe. If you are stranded on a shoulder or in poor visibility, visibility is protection. It is also smart to think beyond the car itself. A strong vehicle emergency kit includes items that help you deal with longer delays or being stuck in a remote area. Pack some shelf-stable snacks, a small amount of cash, copies of important contact numbers, and a paper map in case your phone loses signal or battery. If you travel in winter, add an ice scraper, traction aids, and extra insulation. If you drive in rural areas, consider a small shovel, tow strap, and a whistle. The best kit is the one matched to your environment, your commute, and the seasons you actually drive through. Finally, remember that a vehicle emergency kit only works if you check it. Batteries die, food expires, water gets hot, and useful gear slowly disappears when it gets borrowed and never returned. Set a reminder to inspect your kit every few months. Replace anything used, test your chargers, and make sure the kit is stored somewhere easy to reach, not buried under luggage or groceries. The point is to make preparation simple enough that it becomes automatic. A well-built vehicle emergency kit gives you options. It buys time, lowers stress, and helps you make clear decisions when unexpected happens on the road. You do not need a complicated setup to be ready. You just need the right essentials, packed with intention and maintained before you need them. That is how a simple kit becomes a real survival asset. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Survive When It Counts. I hope what we have covered today gives you practical knowledge, sharper judgment, and the confidence to stay calm when conditions turn against you. If you have enjoyed the episode, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow Books Central so you do not miss future episodes packed with survival knowledge, fieldcraft, and real-world guidance. And make sure you come back next week for the next episode, where we will continue building the skills that matter when it counts most. If you want the companion book to this podcast, The Calm Operator, Survival for Every Terrain, you will find it on Amazon and on the Books Central website. Until next time, stay sharp, stay prepared, and keep moving forward.